Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create DHgate account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Simply tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be led to your account interface. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in or join free. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll either be able to sign into your account or you can also create the account for yourself. You'll be able to find the methods over here. You can either continue with email, Facebook or Google. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to continue with email. So tap on the field of email. Now provide your email address over here. Now after you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Simply tap on the field of password. Your password must contain 6 to 30 characters. It must contain numbers and letters. So simply create a password for yourself. Now after you create the password, tap on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account will easily be created. So like this you'll be able to create the DHgate account. So that is how you create DHgate account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.